Are you confused between in and on? Well then, this is the right video for you. Welcome back to my channel. This is your teacher Jenny, and for today's video, we will talk about the basic prepositions. But first, let me introduce my friend Azu, and he will help us to demonstrate the basic prepositions. Now, let me give you examples of the different basic prepositions I mentioned. In. Azu is in the box. On. Azu is on the box. Under. Azu is under the box. Behind. Azu is behind the box. Between. Azu is between the boxes. Near or next to. Azu is near or next to the box. In front of. Azu is in front of the box. Prepositions from watching this video. For more video topics and suggestions, you can comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And this is your teacher Jenny!
Alam niyo ba kung bakit Azu ang ipinangalan ko sa bear na to? It's because Azurite is short for Azu. At ang Azurite ang unang section na hinawakan ko bilang isang guro.
Shout out sa lahat ng Azurite na nagbigay ng bear na to sa akin. I miss you all!